Bitcoin move fast. Here's what's happening today. Let's get you up to date. I can't believe it. Just a few weeks ago, some of you were asking what happens when the next administration takes over. What if they're not Bitcoin friendly? Well, here's your answer. Even I never thought this could happen, but Congress is actually trying to pass bills to protect Bitcoin forever. Right now, let's break this down. We all know that President Trump signed an executive order to establish a strategic Bitcoin reserve. But here's the problem. Executive orders can be erased in just a stroke of a pen. One election and it's gone. But now Representative Byron Donalds is stepping in with something much bigger, a bill that would legally lock in Bitcoin as a U.S. strategic asset. If this passes, the U.S. will be committed to hold Bitcoin permanently. This is huge, guy, because this means that even if the future president hates Bitcoin, they can't just dump it. The U.S. would be legally required to maintain its Bitcoin's reserves and possibly even increase them over time. Now, not everyone is on board. Democratic Representative Gerry Connolly is already fighting against it. He actually urged the Treasury Secretary to dismantle the Bitcoin reserves entirely. He claimed Bitcoin is too volatile, that it doesn't belong in government's holdings. But let's be real here. Volatility or not, other countries are stacking Bitcoin. Bhutan, mining it. El Salvador, buying the dips. Saudi Arabia, rumored to be accumulating Bitcoin. So the US has two choices. Secure Bitcoin now or risk falling behind. The bill isn't law yet, but if it passes, the US won't just be holding Bitcoin. It will be competing to own more. And that's a game changer. Now let's talk about Bitcoin price. Because right now there's one number that could change everything. And that number is $89,000. Why? Because if Bitcoin closes above $89,000 on a weekly chart, this entire downtrend flips bullish. That's the confirmation that Bitcoin is ready for the next explosive move up. And get this, over $1.6 billion in short positions will get liquidated if we break past the level. That means trader betting against Bitcoin will be forced to buy back in, fueling the massive squeeze. But here's the problem. Bitcoin hasn't broken through yet. Right now, we're seeing profit taking from early buyers. Macroeconomic uncertainty, global market leverage build up, causing increased volatility. If Bitcoin can break past $89,000, we could see more sideways action or even deeper retest before the next move up. But here's what could flip the script. 1. Whales and institutions stepping in. If big buyer push Bitcoin past resistance, we move fast. 2. Regulatory clarity. If pro-Bitcoin policies gain traction, it changes sentiment overnight. And 3. ETF inflows surging again. Last time ETF saw a big wave of buying, Bitcoin exploded upward. If Bitcoin reclaimed $89,000, we off to the races. But if not, patience is key. So here's the bottom line. Congress wants to lock in Bitcoin forever. If this bill passes, the US government isn't just holding Bitcoin. It's securing it as a strategic national asset. And meanwhile, Bitcoin price is at a make or break level. If we break past $89,000, the next move up could happen fast. But if we don't, this could take longer than we expected. Stack smart, stay patient, and don't get shaken out. If you got value from this, make sure to to like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and stay locked in. I'll keep you updated as the store unfolds. And don't forget, whatever amount you have, just hold it tight and stack it right. Take care.